Over the past 15 years, wind energy has experienced remarkable growth in Europe. However, wind structures are constantly exposed to environmental factors that cause severe damage. In the offshore wind sector, these challenges are even more pronounced. Corrosion and fatigue, driven by harsh conditions, are significantly shortening the lifespan of these offshore installations. In this context, 17 European partners from leading industry, technological and research organizations have explored new materials, gathered experimental data, and created predictive models to enhance durability, reduce maintenance, and achieve lower environmental impacts. The MAREWIND project has developed specific functional coatings, advanced concrete formulations, and novel composites, as well as monitoring technologies that not only push the boundaries of functionality, but also prioritise sustainability. Let's take a closer look at these advancements. The anti-corrosion coating and anti-fouling were applied to the Enna Ocean's W2 Power floating structure located in the Canary Islands. The process began with surface preparation. Next, the innovative low-thickness coating was applied by direct spraying. And finally, the commercial yellow paint was applied as required for offshore visibility. Then, ongoing monitoring was implemented to assess the coating's performance under real conditions, mainly in atmospheric and splash areas. So far, the exposed material has shown no signs of corrosion, proving the effectiveness of the solution for future applications. Anti-corrosion coating solutions have also shown significant advancements, focusing on repairing critical turbine components. The approach includes painting structures, treating vulnerable areas, and targeting the most at-risk sections. The solution features a one-layer coating applied through direct spray, without the need for special surface preparation or thermal curing. Its easy application has been successfully demonstrated in real-world conditions across various windmill sections, highlighting its effectiveness and efficiency in the field. Turning to the anti-fouling coating, assessments of samples submerged in Sines, Portugal, as part of the gravity-based structure, have revealed the unique attributes of the low-thickness product. These tests demonstrate its superior adhesion when compared to commercial alternatives, showcasing its potential for enhanced performance. Additionally, treated coupons embedded in frames with anti-corrosion and anti-fouling coatings have been installed in offshore wind farms in the North Sea, the Cantabrian Sea and the Atlantic Sea. These frames are positioned across 3 different exposure zones: the subsea zone, atmospheric zone, and intermediate splash conditions. Over the course of the project, various inspections have been run to assess the performance and durability of these innovative coatings. In parallel, other anti-fouling coatings are undergoing tests in the Mediterranean waters to further expand our research and results. Next, the newly developed concrete formulations offer enhanced durability and improved sustainability for offshore environments. The ultra-high-performance concrete shows great promises for maintenance and repair applications. This concrete is more sustainable than the commercial solution. Additionally, by creating slimmer structures, less material is used, making it a more sustainable option compared to traditional concrete. On the other hand, the sustainable and cost-efficient concrete based on AAMs developed in the project show acceptable durability, good capacity to flow in the molds, and good resistance to freeze-thaw cycles. Suitable prototypes were manufactured with both concrete technologies, validated at real exposure in Gijón Harbour and in subsea conditions. In addition, the project has successfully produced a 13-meter blade using an innovative composite technology from recyclable resin, incorporating a circular sustainable design and including validation by mechanical tests in the Large Structures Testing Laboratory at the University of Galway. All these elements, combined with our structure health monitoring, significantly enhance resource management by integrating fibre-reinforced polymer bars, as well as fibre optic sensors in novel concrete formulations, integrating distributed fibre optic sensors in blades, and employing drones for external blade inspections, offering a comprehensive view of structural integrity. This proactive approach enables better resource management through greater durability of materials as well as early damage detection, helping to prevent significant degradation and structural failures, ultimately enhancing employee safety as the in-person inspections are reduced. MAREWIND project is addressing the technological, economic and societal challenges facing Europe's offshore wind sector. By improving material durability and recyclability while reducing resources and maintenance requirements, we are setting a new benchmark for offshore wind farm construction and servicing. Let's pave the way for a more sustainable future in offshore wind energy.